Hello, my name is Bob Rathbun, and I'm the Regional Bank President here at Chemical Bank. I would like to thank each and every one of you for coming out tonight and enjoying Raining Money Night with the Great Lakes Loons. It is Chemical Bank's 8th year of being part of this event, and this year is no different. Instead of showing humorous take on this year's most popular movie, or showing how money is growing, or telling Dow Diamond's very own Diamond Cop story, this year we'll be showing a normal day's work here at Chemical Bank. Hope you enjoy.
Okay, first off, I'd like to thank you for being able to make it a part of your day to be here to apply for a position with Chemical Bank. Sorry that I'm late, but thank you for being here again. First thing, to cut straight to it, I'd like to ask you, what do you think that you can bring to the company here at Chemical Bank? Okay, all right. Good. Show me what else do you think that you can offer here? All right. Valuable. Yes, indeed. I think that you'll fit in perfectly here. I think that we might have the perfect position here for you. Just a few more questions here for you.
Hi, can I help you? Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hold on, I can't really hear you. Let me call you back.
Hi Lou, how are you? I hear you're here to open up a savings account today. So is this account going to be for you or a relative? Not you, no. I don't know that we can do that for you, Lou. Let's see, if you can provide me some more information, maybe we can... I don't think that's going to help the situation.